Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Galaxy Link. In the last video I have been showing you how to find a choking problem in the single door refrigerator. This is the small clip of that last video. So in this video I am going to show you how to solve that choking problem in step by step manner. Then how to remove the blockage in each condenser by separating them. So let's start the video. Friends, to solve this choking problem, in the first step we have to separate suction line from the compressor. Friends, like this we have to remove a suction line. Yes friends, now I removed the suction line. After that, using a wet cloth we have to cool it down. Friends, now I separated the suction line from the compressor. Now I turned on the compressor. Here you can see, now I am checking whether air is coming out or not. Friends, here you can see now pressure is coming out, but inside this line a choking is there. So let's find it out. In the second step I am going to remove a filter to separate the outside condenser. Friends, here you can see, now I am going to remove one side of the filter. Friends, here you can see how I removed the condenser side filter. Then I also removed the discharge line of the compressor to separate the outside condenser, so that by using the external compressor we can give a pressure to remove any choke. Most probably the choke is in the oil. If the compressor oil goes up to the condenser, we can face a choking problem. So let's see. Friends, now I connected the external compressor to this condenser by using this coupling method, temporary coupling. Using this compressor I am going to give the pressure to this outside condenser. This is the compressor discharge line. From there I remove this condenser. This condenser is connected here only, and this is the evaporator side. So now I am going to give pressure using this compressor. After that I am going to flush it out. So here you can see, this is the compressor discharge line and this is the suction line. Now I connected to discharge line because we want pressure. Now I opened the valve. Like that we have to hold it out to increase the pressure. If the pressure is increased, all the dust inside the condenser will come out. Friends, here you can see how the oil came out from this outside condenser. So this is the reason behind the choking. Like this we have to do 5 to 6 times. We have to flush it out. How many times you are flushing, that much you can get better result. So now I am going to use CTC to remove oil content from this condenser. Friends, now I already inserted the CTC to the red color pipe. From there I directly given pressure. All the CTC went to the outside condenser. Here you can see how I am flushing using the CTC. Here you can see with the CTC all the oils are coming out. Friends, now this outside condenser is cleaned up. All the oil inside this came out. Now I already flushed it around 10 times. Friends, in the second step I am going to check the filter whether it is containing oil or not. By heating the filter we can check whether it has oil inside this or not. Here you can see we are getting the white smoke. The white smoke indicates that the filter contains oil inside this. So in the filter also oil is choked, so we have to replace with the new filter. Friends, here you can see I removed the filter and connected the compressor to evaporator side. Here you can see outside condenser is perfectly cleaned up. Here you can see to give pressure I connected the compressor to clean the evaporator side. So how we did for outside condenser, like that we have to flush for the evaporator side. Friends, here you can see I already flushed it for the evaporator side. How we did it for the outside condenser, like that only I flushed it using CTC and all. Now all the condenser are flushed out. Now I am going to connect the one by one condenser. Now I am going to join the discharge line. After that I am going to add filter. After that I am going to join the suction line. Friends, here you can see how I joined the discharge line, and I also joined the new filter also. Friends, before joining the suction line we have to make sure that air is coming out or not by turning on its own compressor. After checking that only we have to brace it out. We have to join them. Friends, here you can see how I am joining the suction line. Friends, we have to give a perfect heat and we have to brace in a proper manner. Friends, now our all job is done. Here discharge line is also joined like this. It is going, after that it is going inside and coming out from here, and it is going to the filter. After that, using the capillary tube, it is going to the evaporator coil. It is called a freezer. From there it is coming out from this suction line. So friends, this is all about how to flush, how to remove a choke from the single door refrigerator. This is the part 2 of our video. In the part 1 I have told you how to identify a choke using the pressure gauge. So if you have not watched that part 1, I am giving the link in the description and in the end screen of our part 2. So in the next video I am going to show you how to refill a gas for this refrigerator. So that is the part 3 of our video. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.